With Protocols.io, you can scale a protocol using the run functionality. The first step is to make sure that the scalable amounts are added as components. I will be demoing that with this dummy protocol that I open by double-clicking it, identify my scalable amounts, and transform them to an amount component. For demonstration purposes, I will leave this amount as plain text. You can also add scalable amounts by selecting the amount component, adding the value, selecting the units, and typing the name of the reagent. Now that I have transformed all my scalable amounts to the amount component, I can run and scale my protocol. I'll do that from the file manager by highlighting the protocol and running it. I need to select a folder in which the run record will be saved and start the run. To globally scale your protocol, you select these three buttons, select the scale factor, in this case 3, save it, and all the scalable amounts have been multiplied by 3. That amount that remained as plain text wasn't scaled. It is important to notice that the original protocol hasn't been modified. It is just the run record. You can also scale individual steps. To demo that, I will rerun the protocol, generating a new run record. I start the run, select the step that I want to scale, and instead of selecting these three dots, I select Edit or Scale, go to Settings, choose the scale factor, in this case 2, save it, and now this individual step, not the whole protocol, has been scaled by a factor of 2.